press the bell icon to never miss an update from SysWeek. Hello everyone, my name is Shivani and today I will help you out with one of the common problems faced by many Windows users. If you recently bought a new printer and trying to connect it with your computer but unable to see the printer on the system, don't worry, we have a solution for you. Just follow the steps shown in this video and help yourself out of these issues. When you receive a new printer and connect it with your computer, make sure all the cables are connected properly. Now download Advanced Driver Updater to install and update the device drivers on your computer. This is a great solution for the unidentified printer on the computer. This tool will help you get the driver for the printer and download it on your system and in no time. You can use your printer effortlessly. If you are facing any such issues with device on your computer, download Advanced Driver Updater to fix corrupted, missing, incompatible and outdated device drivers from its database. This comes as an ultimate solution for your Windows related issues. We hope you liked our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Share the video and help your friends out with the solution to system issues.